I am Razifullah. Today I am going to teach you about the grammar. In last class we have discussed about the poem called Upagupta written by our great poet Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, today I am going to teach you about the grammar concept of WH question, which is already there in your textbook in the lesson called Enchanted Pool itself. So today I am going to teach you about the how to form the questions by using WH words. Okay, that is the topic is forming WH questions. Okay, first of all, without wasting any time, we will see the how which WH word will be used for. Means here the question word asked about and what are the examples of it. We will discuss one by one here. What we'll see about it a thing. For example, to know about a thing, we use the word what. When we used to know about a time. Why we used to know about a reason. Where we used to know about a place. Which we used to know about a choice. Who we used to know about a person. How we used to know about a manner. Okay, these are the question words and the about things. We will see the examples now. What are things? For example, what is the loss which brings joy, not sorrow? What is the loss? What is the loss which brings joy? Enough. I will make the question short tomorrow. What is the loss which brings joy? Or what is your name? Name here, how become the thing? Because name we are asking that is a thing only. Okay. So that is a noun, or is it? So that a thing only. So what is your name is the example. What is your father name? What is your father? Okay. So these are the examples of what. Okay. So this what is the loss which brings joy, not sorrow. Is there no? Another, we will go now next. A time. Okay. That is about the question when. Our time. For example, when we study history, we see lot of the things about the time there here. Here the time only means we do not think that only the time that is the 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Okay, but here the time refers to that may be a year, that may be a day, that may be a week, that may be a particular hour. That everything belongs in the same question word when. Okay, what is when we used to know about a time here. Okay, when we used to, the word called when we used to know about a time. For example, when did India got independence? When did India got independence? And don't forget to put the question mark there. Okay, don't forget to put the question mark. When did India got independence? Or when is your next examination? When is your next examination? So these are some of the examples of using when. Okay. Then why? Why we used to know about a reason. Why, for example, why do you came late yesterday? Okay. Why you woke up so early today? Why you didn't woke up early today? These are some of the reasons. Why? Here, why do you come to school late? To know what the reason why the person is came to school late, there are the several reasons. Maybe he or she not woke up so early. Maybe their breakfast is not made ready. Maybe they not have the vehicle arrangement so early. Maybe they are late because of those. There are several reasons. We can make more and more questions. I am giving you just an example about it. Once again we recall that what we used to know about a thing. Example is, what is the loss which brings joy? What is your name? What is your father? These are some of the examples about what itself. When to know about a time. When did India got independence? We are here seeing a particular year, that is the 1947 is the answer now. When we are making a question, we have to know about for example, when we having a sentence there, for example, India got independence. India got independence on 1947. 1947 is the answer now. We have to choose the answer to make the question, because 1947 is the answer, that is the time. So question is when we are making here. And if we change the same sentence in the other question, here if I underline the India there, that will be going other way. Here, which country got independence in the 1947? Which country got independence in the 1947? That can be changed. Okay, like this we have to select the answer first when we are making the questions. To forming questions, we have to know about their ask about means where we use the particular WH question words. Okay, and here also I have told you why we used to know about the reason. Why do you come to school late? Next, where we used to know about a place. For example, where is your place? In your classroom, we are having a particular place, a particular bench. Like that where we used to know about that place itself. For example, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Okay. Where is your home? Like this, so many questions can be formed here. Okay. Where are you from? Where is your place? Like this, we can make so many questions. We use where for a place itself. Okay. Which means we used to select a particular one, means a choice itself. When we having two things with us. Two things. For example, here one green box. Another one is red box. Here in green box there is a jewels. There are jewels. Here it is empty. Which box you will choose here? Which box you will choose? Everyone will choose the green box, because in that jewels are there, if they know about it. Okay, so that means we will choose anyone among them. That time we use the which here. Okay, which is the biggest animal on land? Okay, which is the biggest animal on land? Which is our national animal? Because we have selected that one. There are several animals are there. In that we have selected one particular animal as the national animal. Comment which is the national animal of India. Comment in there. Okay. Then which means a choice we use. For example, which is the biggest animal on land? Then who we use to know about a person itself. About a person. Person means, for example, who is your favorite singer? There are several persons are there, but we select only one person now. So that person, who that one, we are used to know about the person itself, the who. Okay. Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite actor? Okay. Who brought you to school? Some are dropping now you. Who dropped you to school? If anyone have came to take you from the school, that time your HMM can be asked, who is he? We have to tell now what is the relationship with him to you. Means we to know about a person, to inquire a person, who is he, what are the relations about him, or what are, if you like anyone as a favorite singer, that time also we can be asked the question. So I am selected the question, that is, who is your favorite singer? Next, how we used to know about the manner. Means everything is, especially in the science, everything is depend upon the manner itself. That is depend upon the principles. Okay, that is depend upon the principles. So those are, we can be used these type of questions in the history. What is the when, why, where, which, how, who, how. We use in the history. Similar thing in the science also we use what, when, why, where, which, who introduced, who invented, how it is, how we have. If we have a particular formula for the maths, we having the particular formulas now. How we have to apply that? For that we have to know everything. But I will take you the simplest one. I will not go through that is deepest. And I will not bring you to the deep concept there. I will bring you to your itself. That is, for example, examination is there. There is a manner to prepare for examination now. Have a manner. Yes, there is a manner for preparation of examination. When we having a correct manner for the preparation of the examination, we can be score very well. For that, we have to work up early. I am not going to teach you about how. Okay, that we will discuss in the classes. Okay, soonly. So that we have to use how to know about a manner. For example, how do you prepare for a examination? How do you prepare for a examination? How do you prepare lunch? You can ask your mother now. How do you prepare biryani? Okay, that like how do you prepare for examination? So these are the some of the examples I have selected to give you. You can be make more and more examples, and you can comment those examples in your comment box. Okay, so today's topics we have discussed about the WH questions, solving the WH questions. Okay, I hope you have understood what we used to know about a thing. Example is what is the loss which brings joy. When when did India got independence? When is your next examination is another example about it. Okay, that can be asked. Then why a reason? Why do you come to school late? Okay, why do you come to school late? Why do you not? Why are you not came yesterday? That like can be questions can be framed. The reason is there. Why you not came to school? You can give, sir, yesterday I have fever. Why you not made homework today? Sir, I have fever. My hand is paining. Like the several reasons are there now. In that particular thing, we are using the WH word why when we are asking about the reason. Where a place, where are you from, and which a choice, which is the biggest animal on land. We are always having a choice when we using the WH question card, which I have given you the examples of green box and the red box. Then who, a person, who is your favorite singer, okay, or actor. Several examples are given. Okay, that you have to remember. How a manner. How do you prepare a examination? How do you prepare biryani? How do you prepare a upma? Okay, how you prepare for your examination? How do you prepare for your examination? Like the several examples are given here. I hope you have understand and like this and share this to your friends also. And stay home, stay safe. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.